Good day, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be taking you through Google Ads measurement certification. Okay, so you go to Google, the Google search bar and type in Google Ads search. Google Ads search certification. Okay, so that's it. Google Ads search certification, Google Skill Shop. You sign in with your Google account. Okay, so this is it. So after you sign in, you scroll down, prepare for the certification. That's not where we are starting from. So you start from grow your business with Google Ads. Don't forget to make sure that you sign in with your Google account. Okay, so when you get here to show you launch, but mine is showing review because I've done it already. So you click launch. Start from the first one, get to know Google Ads. Every second, people turn to Google for the information they need to get things done. Google Ads is a digital advertising solution that helps you reach this audience and transform them into valuable customers. In this module, you will learn how Google Ads can help you get in front of people when they are searching for what you offer. Why Google Ads? With Google Ads, you get access to a broad range of advertising products designed to help you reach customers in the moments that matter. Stay focused on growing your business while Google Smart Technology does the heavy lifting to drive better results from your advertising. If you notice here, they said you get access to a broad range of advertising products designed to help you reach customers in the moments that matter. When is that moment that matters? The moment that matters is when people do a search, you want to be seen by them. That's why Google is one of the most important advertising platforms, and it is the most profitable platform in digital marketing for you to do your adverts, because people actually go to do the search. They are searching for you, not the other way around, when you are spending money searching for them. Okay, your advertising campaign should center around the objectives you have for your business. Take a look at how Google Ads can fuel your business goals, can help you to drive sales, grow online, in-app, in-person, and over-the-phone sales, get leads, boost conversions by encouraging people to take action, increase website visits, get the right people to visit your website, influence consideration, encourage people to explore your products and services, build awareness, reach a broad audience and maximize exposure, promote your app, increase installs and interactions with your app. Okay? Get the benefits of Google Ads. To help you grow your business, Google Ads is built around three principles: relevance, control, and results. Okay? Relevance. Google Ads helps you connect with the right people at the right time with the right message. Your ads can appear on Google Search, YouTube, and more, just when someone is looking for products or services like yours. You can also customize options such as keywords and locations to get in front of the most important, the most relevant customers. Control. Google Ads gives you complete control over your budget. You choose how much to spend per month, per day, and per ad. Based on your settings, Google Ads uses a lightning-fast auction to determine which ad to show. If you want to change your strategy, you can easily adjust your ad, modify your budget, or pause and restart a campaign. Pay only for results like clicks to your website or calls to your business. That's why Google Ads is called pay per click, PPC. You only pay for when people click on your ad, which is different from social media ads, which is anytime anyone sees your ad, they pay. You get to pay for those impressions. Okay. Our measurement tools make it easy to see how your site, apps, and ads are performing. Plus, smart technology lets you create, manage, and optimize your campaign so you can get the most out of your investment. So let's do a knowledge check. You are a brand manager with an e-commerce retail company. You are looking to advertise online and measure the volume of sales coming from your digital campaigns. Which of the following benefits of Google Ads could help you accomplish your goals? Control relevance and results. You're a brand manager with an e-commerce retail company. You are looking to advertise online and measure the volume of sales coming from your digital campaigns. Which of the following benefits of Google Ads could help you accomplish your goals? As results. Okay, we move to number 2. Support your business goals with Google Ads. With Google Ads, you can connect with people finding answers on search, watching videos on YouTube, discovering apps on Google Play, and more. You choose where customers might see your ads when you select your campaign type. In this module, you'll learn how to use Google Ads campaigns to achieve your business objectives. Okay? Google Ads campaign types. Advertising with Google Ads starts with creating a campaign based on your business objectives. Each campaign type determines where your ads appear and the format in which those ads are displayed. Look at how different campaign types. So we have search, display, video, shopping, and app can support your business. So those are the 5 types of campaign under Google Ads. We all know Google search. Display is when you advertise your business on a website that is related to your type of business. Video is basically YouTube. Shopping is a type of ad you see on Google Ads with sponsored written on it. An app, we all know what app means. Okay, so search. Search ads appear next to Google search results and on other Google partner sites like YouTube when people look for businesses like yours. With a search campaign, you can make sure potential customers notice your brand, consider your products, and take action. Display. Google display ads can appear across a network of more than 2 million sites and apps, reaching 90% of people on the internet. Your ads get matched to content related to your business or to your customers' interest. Use a display campaign to increase exposure and reach audiences with specific interests across the web. I'm sure we've all seen display ads before. For example, if you're a football fan, you go to a site like flashscore.com to check football scores. You'll see adverts of betting companies. All those adverts of betting companies are called display ads. They're advertising their business on websites that are related to their type of business. Video. With video ads, you can reach the right audience at scale and capture their attention. Show your ads on their own or within other streaming video content on YouTube and across Google's network of websites and apps. Only pay when people choose to watch your ad. Video campaigns help you bring your business story to life. They engage customers in different ways, like showing ads before their favorite music video or while they are researching an upcoming purchase. Shopping. Shopping ads appear on Google Shopping next to search results and near text and responsive ads. Shopping ads promote your products by giving consumers detailed information about what you are selling before they even select your ad. Using a shopping campaign to advertise your online and local inventory. boost traffic to your website or local store, and find better qualified leads. App. After a simple setup process, app campaigns run ads across Google's largest properties, including search, play, and YouTube, as well as thousands of mobile sites and apps. Your ads and bids are automatically adjusted to get the most downloads. Just add a few lines of text, a bid, and some assets, and the rest is optimized to help customers find you. With an app campaign, you can increase engagement, app installs, and even in-app actions like signing up for a newsletter or ordering a product. Specialized campaign types. Does your business have specific objectives based on a niche industry or customer base? Google Ads can help you meet those goals through specialized campaign types. Local. Local campaigns help you drive important metrics like store visits or in-store sales by advertising on multiple platforms. Let Google Ads optimize how your ads appear on search, maps, display, and YouTube to maximize your offline performance. Hotel. If you're a hotel looking to advertise rates and availability, hotel campaigns are for you. These campaigns display hotel prices and availability on search, maps, and assistant to connect you with the millions of travelers actively searching for you. Discovery. With discovery campaigns, you can easily engage customers across Google's most popular properties with a variety of rich, unique ad formats. Reach your users across the YouTube home feed, Gmail, and Google's Discover feed, all with one campaign. So let's do a knowledge check. Every business is unique, including yours. Based on the goals described below, choose the campaign type that could best help you achieve those objectives. Increase brand awareness when users are browsing content they're interested in online, that's display. Promote your products, share details about your inventory, and boost traffic to your online or physical store. Shopping. Drive action on your site when users are searching for similar products or services. Reach your target audience and scale and bring your business story to life. Okay? Drive efficiency with smart campaigns. Looking for an automated solution for small businesses? Smart campaigns are here to help. Just choose your business goals and let machine learning deliver results through Google search, display, and maps network. Smart campaigns are the default for advertisers new to Google Ads. They're a great fit for those who want an easy way to reach relevant customers and drive results, but have limited time or experience with managing Google Ads campaigns. Let a smart technology improve your ad so you can focus on what's most important, which is running your business. Optimize your campaign. While the campaign type you choose determines where users see your ads, you can optimize plenty of features to make sure you engage the most meaningful audiences wherever they are. Device targeting. Reach your customers on any device, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Locations and language targeting. Your campaign's ads are eligible to show to customers in particular locations or to customers who have chosen your selected language as their browser's language setting. Bidding and budget settings. Your bid strategy controls how you pay for users to interact with your ads. Your bid limit is the most that you will pay per click for ads in an ad group, and your budget is the average amount that you're comfortable spending each day on your campaign. The budget that you choose is entirely up to you, and you can adjust it at any time. Ad extensions. Include even more information with your ad, such as location details, links to pages on your site, and your phone number. We'll be getting into all of this as we go on. Okay? So let's do a knowledge check. How can Google Ads help you advance your business goals? Okay, you select the best answer. All of the above is correct. By driving online, in-app, in-person, and over-the-phone sales, by building awareness of your brand, by influencing consideration of your products and services. Okay. Advertising with Google Ads starts with creating campaigns based on your business objectives. Which campaign type would you pick for each of the following scenarios? These ads show up next to Google search results and on other Google partner sites like YouTube when people search. as search. These ads appear on their own or within other streaming video content on YouTube as video. These ads promote your products by giving users detailed information about what you are selling, as shopping. These ads drive engagement, app installs as app. Okay, so we are through with that. So you click and go back to home and you close it from there. Okay, so with that, we go to the next one. Explore the value of Google search. Launch again. Okay. Recognize the value. Okay. Right now, potential customers are searching for the products or services that you offer. Creating a Google search campaign can help them find you when they need you the most. In this module, you'll learn what a search campaign is and the importance of getting your ads in front of your customers at the right moment. Okay? The importance of search. Every day, about 3.5 billion searches are made using Google search. Everywhere, people are searching for information, shopping online, comparing product prices, getting directions, or just learning something new. Google's mission is to organize all these available information and make it accessible and useful. When people want to know, buy, go, or do, Google search is their first stop. Translate user intent into business results. With Google search campaigns, your ads show up alongside search results when people are looking for the products or services that you offer. So how do Google search ads connect you with your customers? Let's follow a potential customer, Luca, to learn how Google search ads work. After living in the city for a while, Luca has decided he would prefer to bike to work, but which bicycle should he buy? Okay, he opens his computer and types in best city bicycle at google.com. He scans the results. He sees shopping ads labeled as sponsored, text ads labeled as ad, and organic results. The organic results are the results that show under the Google, under the map. Lucas scans the organic results and doesn't see anything relevant. A few text ads appear at the top and one catches his attention. The headline seems relevant to what he's looking for. Looking to commute to work, 30% off city bikes, free shipping. This ad's description gives him more information about the sale, store location, and other great details. Shopping and text ads don't always appear. I'm sure we've all noticed that. It's not every time you do a Google search that you see results with AD or sponsor, but you always have organic results. Okay. He clicks on an ad. Immediately, he reaches a page about city bikes. He likes what he sees, but needs some time to think about making such a purchase. Okay. He goes to his local bike shop to try the super fast and safe city bike model. He would love to buy it, but it's not the same price as what he saw online. Okay. Luca gets out his mobile phone and navigates back to the website he was on before. Time to make that purchase at the right price. So let's do a knowledge check. What led Luca to purchase the bike? Actually, the four answers are correct. What led Luca to purchase the bike? Luca clicking on the ad and arriving at the right page, yes. Luca seeing the bike in the store and revisiting the website to find it online, yes. The enticing headline on the text ad, yes. The advertiser creating a Google search campaign. So if I click show answer, you see that the four answers, the four options are actually the correct answers. Okay, so let's move on. Master the foundations of a Google search campaign. Getting your text ads in front of potential customers starts with creating a Google search campaign. In this module, you will learn how you can create and customize your Google search campaign to drive your business goals. Setting up a search campaign. When you set up a search campaign, think through the different ways to drive more traffic to your site, service, or product. Where do you want your ads seen? How much do you want to invest? What do you want to share in your ads? What keywords will match your customers' search terms? Iroko search campaign. Iroko is a digital marketing manager at a major online bicycle and adventure sports store called Your Adventure. So let's see how she sets up her first search campaign. Last year, Iroko's company sold more bikes online than offline, so she wants to create promotional text ads with a Google search campaign to get even more customers to her online store. If Iroko can increase bike sales by 20% this year and stay within her budget, she will get that promotion she's been working towards. To create a search campaign, Iroko opens a Google Ads account. Since Iroko wants to increase sales by bringing in more customers, she sets the marketing goal to sales. Okay. Campaigns are created around the marketing goal and set up based on the actions that you like customers to take. The marketing goal should be the main thing you want to achieve for your business and can be changed at any time. Such campaign marketing goals can be set to sales, leads, or website traffic. You must know that sales, leads, or website traffic are the marketing goals under Google Ads search. Okay, so we also have display, video, and app campaigns. They have additional goals that you can choose from. For example, if Iroko wants to increase store email list sign-up, she can create a leads goal campaign. Don't forget, there's a difference between traffic and leads. Traffic are the total number of people who visit your site or landing page, while leads are those that take a specific action that you want them to do, like giving you their email or giving you their phone number. Okay, so people who take a certain action that you have already predetermined are those that eventually become your leads. Next, Iroko needs to determine where her text ads will show and how to get the most exposure for them. She selects the Google Search Network, which includes by default Google Search partners. Her ads will show on Google Search, but also extend to the hundreds of additional sites partnering with Google. Showing her ads to even more people out there should help her grow her business. Networks. The network setting indicates where you want your ad to appear based on the campaign type you select. For example, with the Google Search Network, your ad can appear on Google search sites, in addition to search results on Google Play, Google Shopping, and Google Maps, including the Maps app. Your ad can also appear on non-Google search sites like CNN that partner with Google to show search ads. These are called search partners. You also have the opportunity to expand to the Google Display Ads network, where your text ad can show on sites that partner with Google to show ads. Now, Iroko needs to decide which devices to show her ads on based on what her customers use to search and shop for bikes. Since they research, compare prices, and make purchases both at home and on the go, she selects the desktop, mobile device, and tablet options. This way, her ads can appear throughout the entire customer journey. Devices. Campaigns target all types of devices, which include desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can also choose to customize ads for different devices. Since the majority of your adventure sales are from online purchases, she targets all the locations they ship to. She also chooses to target all languages, as she doesn't want to miss out on anyone looking to purchase a bike. Locations and languages. Your campaign's ads are eligible to show to customers located in or who show interest in a geographic location. For example, a Parisian bakery owner can reach people located in Paris only, while an online shoe retailer that ships to Canada and the US can connect with people in both countries. Language targeting allows you to restrict where your ads may appear based on the user's language settings and the language of the site. After Iroko decides where to display her ads, she focuses on how much she's going to spend. She determines her budget, how much she's comfortable with spending each day, knowing she can change it at any time. Then she determines her bid strategy, which is the way she sets her bids for different keywords. She can manually set her bid amount for each keyword or let Google Ads do it for her. Since this is her first campaign, she chooses an automated bidding strategy to save time. Google will automatically optimize her bids based on the campaign goals she has set. Bidding and budget. Your bid strategy controls the manner in which you pay for users to interact with your ads. Once you choose the metric you would like to focus on for your campaign, you will see different bidding options to help you optimize for it. You can choose to manually set your bids for clicks on your ads or let Google Ads do it for you. Your budget is the average amount you are comfortable spending each day on your campaign. The budget you choose is entirely up to you, and you can adjust it at any time. Knowledge check. Imagine you are setting up a few search campaigns and have several marketing goals in mind. Match the campaign goal to the appropriate marketing goal. Get more customers to learn about your new products. Gather contact details through a sign-up page as leads. Encourage customers to complete a purchase, sales. So definitely the first one is web traffic. How to get the right customers to see your ads. With a search campaign basics in place, Iroko is ready to create and text ads and get them in front of the right customers. Okay. She starts by creating ad groups. For each ad group, she can create specific text ads and a list of search keywords, the words and phrases that will prompt her ads to show up. Okay. Keywords are those phrases that people type in on the internet when they are looking for a particular type of business. So, okay, we call them keywords. Since it is best to create ad groups around themes or products, Iroko's plan is to create multiple ad groups, one for each of her bike types: kids bikes, mountain bikes, and road bikes. This level of granularity, this level of breaking things down, gives her more control to get the right ad message to the right customers. For each ad group, she creates a unique list of keywords. She thinks about the search terms people may use when researching or looking for bikes and uses those as her keywords. Building a solid keyword list can help her match ads with the right customers. Take a look at some of the keywords she has selected for her kids bike ad group: kid bikes, children's bike, girl bikes, boy bikes, first bike. With her keyword list in place, she decides on bid amounts. That's the maximum amount she will pay when a customer clicks on her ad. Finally, she creates a set of text ads for each ad group. She fills in the following options to create one of her text ads: headline, to catch our customers' attention; the URL, to reach a particular page on our site; description, to highlight the details of what your adventure is offering. Here's one of our ads: kids bike sale at your adventure, 20% off all kid bikes and free shipping. Okay, the website where she's directing them to, that's the landing page of the advert. Description: top quality, great selection, and expert advice you can trust. Okay. To complement our ad groups, Iroko selects the option to create ad groups made up of dynamically created text ads and keywords lists. They are built automatically based on the content of our site. This enables the ads to show up for searches that Iroko may not have thought of when creating our standard ad groups. We'll go over dynamic search ads in more detail later. With a search campaign in place, Iroko's ad display for searches such as buy kid bike and sales on boys' bicycles, making it easier to complete a sale. More search campaign settings. In addition to selecting where you want your ads to display and how much you want to spend, you can set up further options. Ad extensions. Include even more information with your ad, such as location information, links to pages on your site, and your phone number. For example, since your adventure also has physical stores, Iroko can add store locations and phone numbers. She can also add links to specific pages on her site for the different bikes that she sells. Start and end dates. This sets a campaign start and end date. Ad scheduling allows you to choose certain days or hours of the week for your ads to show. Okay, so let's do a knowledge check. If Iroko wants to increase sales of kids' bikes by creating an end of the year sale, what's the best way for her to do this? She has to create a new ad group for the end of the year sale. Okay. How do ads end up in front of customers? Okay, step one, a person performs a search. The search is for buy city bike. Step two, an auction starts. Google search engine goes through all of its advertisers' campaigns, including Iroko's, looking for keywords in their ad groups to match with the user's search term, buy city bike. When they created their ad groups, each advertiser, including Iroko, set bids for their keywords, indicating the amount they are willing to pay when someone clicks on their ad. This type of auction occurs every time a search is run. Step three, the Google search engine ranks all the ads. After ranking all the ads, the search engine decides which one to show based on the advertiser bid and relevance to the search results. If an ad isn't relevant, it won't show. 4. A search turns into a sale. If Iroko's text ad displays and the user clicks or taps on it, they are taken to Iroko's landing page. She specified for the landing page to be our website City Bikes page, and that's how a search turns into a sale. By using Google Ads, you can easily build and manage search marketing campaigns that advertise across the Google network and help everyone find just what they are looking for. Okay, so we go to the next one. Manage which searches prompt your ads. When you create a list of keywords in your ad group, you are telling Google's algorithm which customer searches should match with your ads. In this module, you will learn how to customize your keyword list to broaden or narrow those matches to best suit your campaign goals. How to control which searches prompt your ads. Step 1, you need to think like the customer because you need to know the phrase that they will type in on the internet when they are looking for your type of business. Match your keywords to what your customers may use when looking for your products or services. This is called keyword targeting. Think about your business goals. Do you want more people to visit your site or to reach customers that are ready to make a purchase? There are five match type options for your keywords. They are from broad to narrow. We have the broad match, modified broad match, phrase match, exact match, and negative. There are search terms you can be sure your customers are using, and then there are those that aren't as easy to foresee. Whatever your goal, you can use match types to reach as many customers as possible that are potentially interested in your business. Step 3, get Google to do it for you. Have dynamically created text ads and keyword lists developed automatically based on your website content. This enables you to show up for more search terms than you may have initially included in your list. More on this later. Let's look at the different match types you can use to control the searches that prompt your ads. How to reach a broad audience with match types. Let's see how Iroko, a digital marketing manager at a major online bicycle and adventure sports store, uses match types to set up a keyword list. When she wants to get her ads in front of a wider audience and also make sure she isn't missing any search terms her customers might be using, she uses the broad match and broad match modifier keyword match types. So let's examine each below. Broad match, that's the default match type. Iroko's adventure store just increased its bike inventory and she wants to promote the new selection. To get her ads in front of the widest possible audience and to make sure she doesn't miss out on any searches, she uses broad match for her keywords. How does it work? Broad match shows ads if a keyword or any variations like misspellings, synonyms, or related searches are included in a user's search terms. How does this help Iroko? With a broad match, Iroko can use more general keywords like bike and match her ads to anyone searching for bike or its variations like bicycle. For example, if a user is searching for best first bikes for a 6-year-old child or men's mountain bikes for sale, Iroko's ad will appear because their search terms contain some variation of a keyword bike. This gives our store site a better chance to be seen and increases the chances of Iroko's ad showing up for search terms she may not have thought about. What this means is that in this type of business, for the broad match type, now what it means is you won't actually spend a lot of time thinking of keywords that your potential customers will be looking for. In our own example, as long as anybody types in bike or bicycle in the locations she has targeted, our ads will show. It will bring you a lot of traffic, but they might not be quality traffic, but your ads will be showing to a lot of people. That's what it means. So let's take the next one. Broad match modifier. Iroko wants to promote our store's best-selling bike, Blue Girl's Bike. That's the best-selling bike in our store. To get our ads in front of a wide audience looking to buy a bike, while still narrowing in on people searching for a Blue Girl's Bike, she adds broad match modifiers to her keyword. How does this work? Adding a plus sign in front of a keyword turns it into a broad match modifier. This prompts your ads to appear only if the keyword or its close variations are in any part of the search terms. This is different from broad match, which allows for any variation of the keyword to appear in the search term. Broad match modifiers only allow for close variations. How does this help Iroko? If Iroko uses the broad match modifier keywords plus blue, plus girl, and plus bike, our ads will appear for people searching for any combinations of these terms in a search and possibly including additional terms. However, the ads won't appear if any one of these keywords aren't in the search term, which means blue, girl, bike must be in the search term. It doesn't matter the order in which they are written or the variation, but these three terms must be there. For example, our ads will match with searches for blue bicycle for 6-year-old girls because all three broad match modifier keywords are in the search. You can see we have blue there, we have bike or bicycle, and we have girl or girls. However, our ad won't appear for the search girl bike because blue isn't a part of that search. Why will Iroko's ad show when the search term is blue bicycles for sporty girls and our broad match modifier keywords are plus blue, plus girl, and plus bike? We already know the answer because we have blue there, we have bicycles, and we have girls there. Because the search term bicycle is a close variant of bike and all the broad match modifier keywords appear in the search term. Knowledge check. A new suitcase company wants to attract customers to their site. In their situation, what are the benefits of using broad match? They can make sure to reach only customers looking to purchase carry-ons, no. They can reach potential customers that haven't heard of their brand, yes. They will only reach people searching for their brand, no. They won't have to create an exhaustive keyword list of every type of suitcase they sell. Sorry, I wanted to select the next answer. It's supposed to be the second and the fourth answer. Second and fourth answer. I actually wanted to select that. I clicked submit. How to narrow your reach with match types. Now that you know how to reach a broad audience, let's see how Iroko uses the phrase match and exact match keyword match types to narrow the audience that sees our ads. Iroko wants to promote a deal on a new kids bike called My First Big Bike. To get an ad in front of only people searching for that bike brand, she adds phrase match to her keywords. Select each panel to learn more. How does it work? Placing quotation marks around the keywords turns them into phrase match. This prompts your ads to appear only if the keywords within the quotation marks or close variations of them match a user's search term. This is different from broad match modifier as there cannot be any extra words between the user's search terms, but similar since extra words can appear before or after the phrase match. How does this help Iroko? If Iroko uses the keyword My First Big Bike in her phrase match, her ad won't match to searches that contain First Big Bike, as mine also needs to appear. Her ads will only show to customers searching for the bike brand, My First Big Bike. Will the search term is My First Big Bike worth buying prompt Iroko's ad to show if she uses phrase match on her keyword? You see, phrase match. Then in the quotation mark, My First Big Bike. That means these four must appear in the search and they must follow each other. So that's it. So it will definitely prompt the ad. Yes, it will. This search term includes the keyword phrase My First Big Bike in its entirety and in the correct order. Other words are allowed to come before or after the phrase. Exact match. Iroko is running a sale on kids' bikes and she really wants to attract customers looking for deals. To get her ads in front of people only searching for promotions on kids' bikes, she adds exact match to her keywords. So how does it work? To use exact match, place brackets around the keywords. This way, your ads will only show if the search terms means the same thing as your keyword. It may include close variations of your keyword like misspellings, plurals, and synonyms. This is different from phrase match as there cannot be any extra words before or after the search terms. For example, the keyword men's bicycles will show when someone searches for men's bicycles or men's bikes, but it won't show for men's bikes for sale. Okay, how does this help Iroko? If Iroko uses the exact match keyword, kids bikes sales, customers will see an ad whether they search for kid bicycle sale, sale on kids bikes, or children's bike on kids. You should know that, you see, these three are the exact match. They're inside the brackets, kids bike sales. But you see, kid bicycle sale will still prompt the ad because bicycle is synonymous to bike. Sale on kid bikes will prompt the ad because we have kids bike sales. The three words are there. But you can see we have what we call preposition. On, for example, is allowed. If any other word shows up between the words, it won't prompt that ad. But if you have prepositions like this one, on, for, and all those other things, the ad will still show. As long as these other three things follow each other or they are all in the phrase that the person is typing in. This helps her narrow our audience down to only potential customers. Our ads won't appear for anyone looking for just kids bikes, as that doesn't include the concept of a sale. Will Iroko's ad match with the search words best kid bike sales if she uses the exact match keywords kids bike sales? You see, it won't, because we have best there. Okay. No, it won't. Exact match keywords only match to searches that mean the same thing as the keyword. In other words, they don't match to searches that contain additional concepts or details not present in the original keyword. If your exact match keyword is running shoes, which searches may prompt your ad to show running shoe, running sneakers, shoes for running? How to use match types so ads don't show up on the wrong searches. So let's see how Iroko uses negative keywords so that our ads only show to relevant customers. Iroko is targeting the keyword kids bikes in broad match and has noticed that our ads are sometimes matching to the search term kids scooters. However, she doesn't have any scooters in her inventory at the moment. Until she gets more scooters in her store, she wants to put her ads in front of people only interested in bikes. So she adds minus scooter as a negative keyword to her keyword list. How does it work? Adding a minus sign in front of the keyword scooter makes it a negative keyword, to our keyword list. Okay, makes it a negative keyword. This means ads won't show if someone includes that negative keyword in their search. How does this help Iroko? By using the negative keyword minus scooter, Iroko's ads won't match to people searching for scooters. Knowledge check. Imagine you have an online store that makes and delivers organic juice, not shakes or smoothies, in 30 minutes. Which keyword list will you use to reach each of the following business goals? You want to increase sales. That means you have to be specific. You want to increase the number of visitors to your site. That means anybody can come to your site as long as they're interested in organic juice. Okay. Picking the right match type for your keywords can help you show your ads to the right audience. Take a look at all the match types below to see how they broaden or narrow your reach. Okay, so you can just go through all of this. There are things we have already explained. So let's go to the fourth one. Complement your keyword strategy with dynamic search ads. You want to have your ads shown for the searches that are relevant to your business, even the ones you didn't come up with. Dynamic search ads can help. In this module, you will learn how to complement your keyword strategy with dynamic search ads. Imagine you are creating a search campaign for a bike and sports adventure store. How many keywords do you think you will need to add to your ad groups in order for your ads to match the most relevant user searches? Okay. The challenge of creating keyword lists. Creating keyword lists for user searches that are relevant to your business can be challenging and time-consuming. The rapid rise in smartphone use and adoption of voice search and digital assistants have changed the way customers find you, resulting in a high volume of searches you just cannot foresee. More and more search moments with new searches are happening every day. In fact, out of all the searches made on Google daily, 15% have never been seen before. This can make manually covering all searches a never-ending task, resulting in lost opportunities. Building ad creatives at scale and correctly matching them to each of your different landing pages can also be a demanding task. You might have a website with hundreds, thousands, or even millions of ever-changing landing pages that require you to update your ad headlines and display URLs constantly. So what's our answer to this daunting problem? Dynamic search ads. You don't want to be coming up with keywords all the time. Dynamic search ads can help you achieve that. Okay. Dynamic search ads can help you increase the reach of your search campaigns. Instead of creating an ad for each page on your site and adding keywords for each of those ads, dynamic search ads uses Google's understanding of your site to customize and target your ads. How dynamic search ads work. How are you your potential customers, and Google all involved in how dynamic search ads ultimately works. Okay, you specify the pages of your site that you want the ad to go, daily budget, and an ad template. We are trying to explain how dynamic search ads work. You will provide the URL that you want people to go to when they click on your ad. You will provide the amount you want to spend daily. Then you set up the ad template. The customer does the search on Google. If you have content relevant to the search, Google dynamically generates an headline. You see, in the dynamic ads, in the dynamic search ads, Google is the one that generates the ad headline and the destination URL. You would have given Google the pages that you think are related to that ad. You might give them like 3 to 5 URLs. Google will then determine which URL to take people to as the destination URL that matches the search that that person is making. Okay, so get a bit more technical. Using Google's web crawling technology, dynamic search ads indexes your site and uses that index links to ultimately determine if a customer search is relevant to your business. If the search term matches the index, dynamic search ads will automatically create a headline and a destination URL customized to the customer search term and will enter a dynamic search ad based on your template into the Google Ads auction. You only need to create the description in the template beforehand. Everything else is automatic and based on the customer's search term. Okay. Dynamic search ads in action. Step 1, a person types in a search term. 2, Google matches that search to the landing page most relevant on your site. 3, Google's algorithm creates an ad based on your template and a tailor-made headline. Targeting options for dynamic search ads. You are in control of how Google matches people's searches to your site's content. There are different site targeting options to choose from, each with a different level of control. Landing pages from standard ad groups. This is the easiest option as it includes all web pages that you're already using as landing pages for your ads across your accounts. Categories. Based on your site content, Google creates targetable categories or sets of landing pages organized by theme. You decide which sets of pages to target, how to group similar pages, and the level of granularity. That's the level at which you want to break it down into. URL contains. You can target pages of your site containing specific strings. You want to you want to target all the blog related pages of your electronics website based on the URL string that appears when you navigate the site. If all of those URLs follow a similar pattern, like example.com/blog, you should target everyone that contains blog. URL contains simply means any part of my URL that contains blog, for example, direct people to that blog. URL is means you are now being more specific. You can target specific URLs. If you want to create a dynamic ad group based on your special offers page, you can choose to target just that page. Page feeds. Generate your ad group's DSA, dynamic search and targeting, based on a feed of specific URLs mapped to custom labels that can be updated automatically. Okay. Key benefits of dynamic search ads: reach and coverage. It helps you capture more searches because Google will be the one coming up with the ad headline and the page they will direct them to, no matter the keyword or the phrase the person types in on the internet. Efficiency and time savings. You don't spend endless time creating endless ads. Google will do that for you. Transparency and control. You don't sacrifice control because you still determine the places or the landing page you want people to go to when they are searching for your type of business. Position dynamic search ads based on your business goals. What are your business goals and how can dynamic search ads help you reach them? Select each panel to learn more. Incremental reach. I want to make sure my ads appear for more relevant user searches. Long tail automation. I want my users to find me even on my long tail products. Rapid expansion. I want to enter new markets quickly. Don't worry, we'll explain all this later as we go on. So let's check our knowledge for this part of the course. What is the key value proposition of Google search campaigns? That is, what is the main thing Google is actually selling to us as an advertiser? Show your ads when a customer is searching for your product or service. Arrange the items below in order of hierarchy, beginning with the top level. Okay, so if you want to run a Google ad, you need to first of all have a Google account. decide on the campaign you want, lead, sales, or website traffic, select ad group, then you create your ad. Which two people might see an ad with the keyword plus black plus shirt? Someone searching for the term black button shirt because it contains black and shirt. Someone searching for the term I want to buy a black shirt because it contains black and shirt. Which part of a search ad isn't automatically generated by dynamic search ads? The description line. The dynamic search ads don't generate description line. They only generate headline for you and give a destination URL. So that's it. In the next video, we'll continue with Google Ads Search certification until we get to the final part of the course. See you again.